Hi, Stuart from Top Shelf Flooring Accessories. Option 1 when installing engineered stair nosings with a traditional 20mm overhang. This is achieved by positioning the riser behind the stair nosing with a cut edge at the top. Option 2, installing engineered stair nosings, is a modern square shadow line. This is achieved by packing the riser out depending on how thick the product is to set up the 3mm shadow line. Option 3, installing engineered stair nosings when joining to a floating floor using C-channel. When installing the top step that is joining to a floating floor, it is essential to glue the stair nosing down, then use the C-channel to achieve the 10mm gap. This trim can be continued where required. Option 4, installing engineered stair nosings joining to a floating floor using H-expansion. The top nosing must be 100% glued down, and it doesn't matter which way your floor is running. With the use of the H-expansion trim, you can achieve the 10mm gap. Then it's as easy as simply clicking in the H trim.